Hey guys, this is P4 Council, and today I'm going to show you a shogun to multiplayer, how to make a custom unit tutorial. So to start this tutorial, you're going to need Pat File Manager, which I'll give you a link below, available from Total War Center. So first we'll open something like this. First we start making new. File, new. And then we usually make a mods folder. We do that. Press OK. And then now that we have our little pack, we add the individual files. And we go to the mods folder to do this. Mod. And then you'll have plenty of these. Now first, before you'll begin without any of these or this. So you'll first start by right-clicking this and clicking Path File Manager again. We'll then begin with something like this, all blank. Click Open, and then if it's automatically directed to your Total War Shogun 2 data folder, just click Data. And this should be loading. And Data Pack. Now you should see a lot of files here. Now first we'll open DB. Oops, wrong one. And you'll be opening DB. And you go all the way down. Well, first we'll start the nearest one. Move all the way to the C's until you start seeing the CDIRs. And go all the way to the CDIR unit quality table. Click this, right-click it, and click Extract Selected, and extract it to your mods folder. And then you press OK. Now, since I already have that already set up, I'm not going to overwrite it. So I'll cancel the extraction. And then after CDI quality, you'll go down to the units. You'll start with uniforms tables next. Extract selected, mod folder. Then you'll go to the unit abilities. Actually, not unit abilities, but you'll actually go to unit stats land tables. Extract selected mods folder. And then you'll go, keep on going to the unit tables, extract that to the mods folder. And finally we'll get grouping military positions, units to grouping military missions tables. Open that up, extract, mods folder. And then after that we'll get the unit to unit abilities junctions. Extract selected, mods folder. And then we'll just need one more here. Oh yeah. Unit to cruiser faction. Oh yeah, I did that one, never mind. And then we'll just need one more. Unfortunately it's not in your data table. You'll have to open, let's do file, open, and I'll go local N. Underscore N. Go to text, DB, and find units.loc. And you'll extract that select to the mods folder. And once you're done with that, you can X out of that part, and you'll still have this untitled pack open. You just then go over here, to the desktop, find your mods folder, or your mod folder. Go in here, and then keep it going to the folders, and just add each and individual one. So you got unit qualities. Doesn't have to be in the exact order, but it should be somewhere around there. Uniforms, add. Required. Now, if you wanted to make it available in campaign, you're going to have to add another file. We'll get to that shortly. Add files. And then keep on going through this and extract every single one to the folder, and then they'll go for the text and so on. So pretty much keep on doing that. Text units. And there you should be done adding files. You should have building units allowed tables, CDIR unit quality tables, uniform tables, and unit core technology tables, unit stats land tables, unit to unit abilities, junctions, unit tables, and and Unit 2 exclusive faction permissions, and Unit 2 grouping military permissions. From here, you're going to want 2 extra more files. Unit required technology junctions, and building units allowed. So we'll reopen that. Reopen data file. So for me, I'll just go to the recent places and go to my Total War Shogun. And go to Total War Shogun. We're going to proceed into the data folder, and we'll look up data, of course. And building units allowed should be one of the first ones you see, as it is located in DB, which stands for database, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong. Right here, we extract this. Extract is selected to the mods folder, like always, on the bottom right here. And then last one, we're going to go back down to the units, and we're going to do required technology one. Where's that? Right here. Extract this. Then back to Untitled Facts, we should have that, and we should also have the text db units.loc. Now from here you should save, just to make sure nothing goes wrong. Save in your mods folder, task every basic start. We should name it, let's name it. Let's name it tutorial. I think I did typo. Oh. We're going to start with easy. We're going to start with the unit tables. I will see all this crap right here. Now I'm going to zoom to the unit you want to make. Let's say you want to make Bow Warrior Monk Cavalry. I mean, like, let's say you want to make cavalry, unique type of cavalry that has spears but great guarding yard cavalry, then you will use the cat, and then the cat is make a new ship, do something like that. In this tutorial, we're going to be making a new, what are we going to make again? In this tutorial, we're going to be making, this tutorial will make mounted Bow Warrior monks, and it'll be available only for the CG clan. So we can have this. So we'll go up all the way to the cow. Now for the Bow Warrior monks, we're going to be needing. Actually, we're not going to be making Bow Warrior monks. We're going to make Katana Ashigaru. Yeah, Katana Ashigaru. So we'll keep with that, and so first thing first, let's say you want to make some Cavalry Spear Warrior Monk Cavalry. You select this row, and you click Clone War. Now you just change this basic unit ID. For here we'll make Warrior Monk Cavalry. For here we're going to keep it Warrior Katana Monk Cavalry. We just rename it right here. And this is not the name, and this is actually the screen name. This is not the screen name. This is actually it's the screen name, but it's not the unit. Like when you include a unit, let's say Naginta Monk Cavalry, it's not going to say Katana Cavalry. It's sort of like an internal thing. So I'll just rename that to Caspier Nagini Katana Monk Cavalry. We'll just keep it like that. Of course, will be select this Cavalry Lancers. The early cost, I'm going to leave it at 800. And you'll have some things like turns to build. This is all campaign status. The cost, the upkeep of the units, campaign map action. A lot of stuff that I don't know. There's a unit limit, how many units you can have. The category should be cavalry for me. Really availability, true. No limits. The unit class, spear cavalry. No, sword cavalry. I'm always going to keep it spear cavalry. Dojo required, a drill yard. And all that will be in the index. This has to be a random number, and I suggest going high. For example, 566. To high, it has to be a unique number. From there, we'll press save, and we'll go on to other stuff. Now, after this, we move on to the CDR unit qualities. not CGI unit qualities, building units allowed. And this is where you set up what kind of buildings you need for recruitment of your unit. Now from here, since this is a war among cavalry, we'll need the monasteries. We'll find here it is. A temple complex. What do you mean temple? And we'll make this the temple. Hold on, we'll make this cavalry. Where's cav? Here it is. Reports. Here it is. We'll make this available in a level 2 monastery. I mean a level 3 temple complex. We'll just take this, clone the row, and we'll keep that the same. And then we'll just change this up. Replace warrior with katana. Experience should be this, whatever you want. This number has to be, like I said before, a unique number, so I'll go high, like 2999 or something like that. Or if you really don't want to risk it, which you're probably not going to find, I would suggest going like the 3000s. Now here you should keep this all default, since I have no idea, and you should save. You have to go into the building units then, and CD it. After that, we'll go to the uniforms table. Uniforms. As you can see, it's all default. Uniform faction. So, we're going to find our cavalry. Our bow cavalry. Let's find it here. I don't think I can find that. I can get infantry. Aha. I keep on looking for your type of unit, like the one that you're using. And you'll look for a cavalry unit. Aha, here it is. And we basically click clone the row. You change the unit name, of course. Oops. How do you spell cavalry? And then we'll change the warrior to katana. And oops, backspace. Change it to ID. We name it katana. And you got the katana cavalry. Now you should keep the uniform variant and unit ID ref all the same. Actually, unit ID ref you change to the name of your unit, of course. So I'll just change this warrior to speed. That's good. Katana. That should be done. You should keep the Ashigari cap right here, and you should keep uniform variant and this unknown right here the same. And you'll have this warrior monk, samurai, all this. You get an Ashigaru unit, you may an Ashigaru ninja unit, stealth unit, so you may add samurai and wako, don't know. For Nodachi, so that should be it for there. You save. So here we go into, let's see, unit required technology. And if you want this for campaign, then we'll use this for campaign. So first, you see all this stuff here, we'll change it up, and you know, the Bushido arts, all this, we'll just... And this, however, I have no idea how this even got here. This is the default thing, it's all grayed out. It's weird. So we'll leave this be, yes, it actually has our unit. The unit that you have should already have a base technology here, so with your new unit, I'll automatically take that, so the technology should be the same. After skipping that, we'll go to CDR unit qualities. And you see all these factions. But we're going to change it here while looking for our faction and finding our unit of cavalry. So it's going to be cavalry spear, even though they're carrying swords. I just want to name them cavalry spears. Okay. Cast Field right there. Takeda, these are UCG. So we're going to look for the Nagita Warrior Cavalry. Take this, call another row. Cavalry Spear. And we change this warrior to Katana. And this is another random unique number. So if I would be safe, I would name this some random number within the 1,000 range. Make it high so it's unique. Because if it isn't, then it kind of messes up with everything and your game will crash and blah blah. So now we go to unit exclusive faction permission. Now this allows which units each faction can recruit, etc, etc. So let's find the UCG. Where are they? Here, infantry missile bombs. CG heavy, Nagita Warrior Monkey, nope. Oh no, Cav. As you can see here, I've been looking for the cavalry, and it should be here somewhere. Cav Spear. No, Cav Bomb. Oh, oops. So I should use CG. First thing you do, you should actually click this to make it in alphabetical order, so you would have an easier time to find it. As you can see, I'm still having a tougher time to find this one. And we'll just keep on looking. As I can't find the default units, I'll just pick a random cav unit from any faction. I'll just change them up then. So we'll take this. We again clone the row. It should be located on the bottom. We change this up. We change the warrior to katana. Change this bow. And change the missile. Change this to cav. And choose the katana warrior monks. Now choose the faction you want to. In this case, I want it to be UCG. Now, how do I spell UCG? U-E-S-E-G-I. U-E-S-G-I. No, U-S-E. No, how do you spell it? U-E-S-U-G-I. Okay. And you should make this what? Then actually it should be arranged in alphabetical order, should be immediately brought back to the top. And then you want to make this true so it actually works. That's what you click here. And that should be it for unit exclusive faction permission. And then now we go to the CGI unit qualities table. Alright, didn't we just do this? Yeah, we did. Then we go to the unit stats. This one's a pretty big one. These contain all your specific data for random stuff. Now we'll look for the cavalry units. So here, cav spear. Keep warrior monks. We're going to clone it or copy and paste it. Doesn't matter. Same thing. Go rename it. Mark cavalry. Oops. Like this. The unit size, we'll reduce it down to 60. Actually, we'll keep it 80 since it's cat. Number of horses, 80 has to match it, so everyone actually has a officer will be a Yari guy. That's basic. The model name, equipment, I have no idea. Armor values, how much? We'll make the armor values too. It should all be leather. I don't know what the plate does. Keep it like that. Artillery one, it is not range. For range units, we put musket, bow, musket, and then we'll be equipped with that range weapon. And for the melee weapon, we'll make this a spear. But that means it's able to use a saber. Now, sabers are less effective than a yai when it comes to... Actually, they're more effective than yai. it comes to melee combat. So I'll boost this to 15. The charge bonus will be drastically reduced since you don't have really a spear weapon, so it'll only make this 8. Dismounted defense skill is 7. Defense skill on the horse is 7. And training, this is the morale. The morale will be the same. And then you keep on going. Anti-cavalry bonus against cavalry. Since it's no longer armed with any anti-cavalry, it will be 0. Can't throw grenades? Nope. Cannot skirmish. Cannot go. Yep. And all these are false. Can hide in. But the thing that should be true, and always true, is can hide in woodland. Everyone can hide in woodland, almost. And all these can hide in buildings, can hide in firing, can fire horseback. Morale, these are all special abilities, scares enemies, good stamina. We'll give our guys some good stamina. After all, they are cavalry and cavalry. So well-trained cavalry. Use grappling hooks, now you resist and cold resist. You can use spikes now due to attrition. Can't shoot while moving, then you have weapons. This should be unknown for a long, long time. At the end, it's still unknown. That should be it for your unit stats land. Save. Okay. And then you basically got everything lined up. And the only thing you have left actually is unit abilities and unit military bases. So unit abilities, let's look for this here. Unit abilities. You'll have to find your unit, and since it's in my case, it's a cat. Look for the Magnetas. Cav speed Magneta. Right here. We'll copy this. Clone it actually. And we'll rename the unit, and we'll keep it in wedge formation since it's cavalry, you know. We need to katana. Done. That should, and if you want to add special abilities, just copy it, put the special ability like Banzai or Flaming Arrows for archer units, or Flaming Matchlock bullets. Then we will do the grouping military positions, which will be the last one we have in the DB database folder. So we'll just basically look for your thing. This is theoretically not necessary, but all the people I know who use this have it. So we'll clone this row once again. Clone the row that's yours is closest to. Replace the warrior with katana and change the clan to CG. U-E-S-U-G-I. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I spelled that right. If I didn't spell that right, yeah, I didn't spell that right. Oops. I sent it to my wrong clan. You look at the bottom list, the CG should be there. Okay, there, we spelled that right. U-E-S-U-G-I. Then we save, of course. That should be it for this. Then we move on to the units.loc. Units on screen name, blah blah blah. We will put this in alphabetical order. Find our cav. And basically clone it. Again. Cav. And we have to find the Naginata Warrior Monk Cavalry right here. Take this. Clone the current row. I keep... Well, oops, it's in alphabetical order, so it'll go exactly right where it is. So we should have 2 Magnetas. We just rename one of them, the top one, the bottom one, of course. We go down to the warrior, rename it back to katana, and then that should be it for that. Making to warrior monk cavalry right here. We'll keep this the exact same, and then save. And this should be everything you have. The units will look exactly like the ones you picked, so the horses. So you might want to keep your pack file a movie, or a mod. In this case, we'll do a movie. And then that should be pretty much it. You just save it from there. Oops. And then, once you're done saving it, it should be in your mods folder. So you go into your libraries, go into your mods folder, mod, tutorial. We'll just copy this. Be some places. Total War Shogun 2. and just drop it right here in your data folder, and you should have a brand new shiny unit. So thanks for listening, guys, and I'll see you later. Good luck with your modding. Have fun. Enjoy.